Hello crafters, welcome to another show. We have a sensational freebie this week, but before I show you that, I'd like to tell you all about our very popular print and post feature, which is a service unique to Craftsuprint.com. Only on Craftsuprint can you choose from almost 1 million designs to be printed and posted to your door. Just look at the quality of these sheets. These have been professionally printed on our industrial printing press. All prints are printed on our specially formulated craft paper, which is specifically designed for crafting use, and all orders are sent in an A4 hardback envelope for protection in the post. Let me remind you of how to print and post your orders with this short tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed watching that short tutorial, and now you know how to get your orders printed in the future. Okay folks, it's freebie time. This week we have an amazing mini kit by exclusive designer Atlic Snezana. This is a 4-sheet kit. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All these sheets have been printed using our professional printing service, and this is what you will receive if you order the freebie printed and posted. All printed freebies will get a little surprise gift worth £3. Bargain. Okay, the cup number for this one is cup 948771_1641. The title is Fashion Wardrobe Mini Kit. There are 4 sheets which decoupage, plus a few sentiment tags for your own personal text. The tag and the butterflies are of course optional. Take a look at the finished card, which I made earlier. It features a crystal butterfly, can you see there? Okay, it has lace there, look. Absolutely gorgeous. A silk bow. Look at the little miniature perfumes. Can you see? Sorry. We see there little miniature perfumes. It's got pearls. Some on the wardrobe there. Some overhanging there. It just looks absolutely brilliant. I just love the perforated edges there as well on the side of the card. It really sets the card off, and it follows the classic theme perfectly. Now I'm going to hand you over to our lovely Anne-Marie, who will show you how to make this fantastic mini kit.
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Now in this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from a Snezana Designs, and the cup number is cup 948771_1641, and it's called the Fashion Wardrobe Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit, and I thought we'll take a look at the 4 sheets before we go on to make the card. So the first sheet in the kit is the actual main image of the card front. So we've got the gorgeous wardrobe and the clothes hanging in the wardrobe, the perfect clothing and the perfect shoes, etc. And that colour palette is absolutely beautiful. So then we've got the insert panel, that we've got enough room for our sentiments, etc. And we've got the gorgeous wardrobe just at the bottom. Next, we've got the decoupage layers that we can cut out and build up the card front into a gorgeous 3D image. And then finally, we've got some smaller designs that we can use for the back of the card, that we could use as a gift tag, etc. I shall show you what I was thinking with a gift tag. And then we've got some extra sentiments as well for the card. So the first thing that I've done is I've actually made a card base for this. The card I've made measures 7 inches wide by 9 inches tall. Now I actually cut it to 10 inches tall and then scored 1 inch, folded it over and stuck the 1 inch to the centre of the card. Can you see that? And that makes the actual card for me to be able to use. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my card over and I'm going to take one of the smaller pictures that's included. I've got double-sided tape on the back of it and I'm just going to peel that away, and I'm going to add this to the back of the card. And then I could add my name, handmade by Anne-Marie, in that square, and you would know who made it for you when you gave the card, because the recipient's going to be so pleased with the card, they're going to want to keep it. So they're going to need to know who sent it to them in years to come. So next we can go to the inside of our card and we can add the insert that's included in the actual kit. I've actually got double-sided tape on the back of it, so I can just peel the tape away, the back of it. You can use whatever glue that you want to use, whether it's wet glue or a tape runner, etc. And I'm just going to place the insert panel into the centre of the card, and then that covers the edge here where I've made the card as well. So I can press that down and then we can decorate the outside. So the outside of the card is that gorgeous image with the wardrobe. You can see the sheen on it. This has been printed on the Craftsuprint paper. It was the printables that you can order online and have delivered to you, and Craftsuprint do all the hard work. They print everything off, and it's so professional, it really is, and it just looks perfect. It gives those clothes such a sheen. So the first thing I've done is I've got flat tape on the back, flat double-sided tape. I can peel the back of it away, and then I can add our image to the front of my card like so. Press it down, there we go, and then I can start to build the decoupage. Now the decoupage that's on the sheet goes from the large wardrobe down through the clothing onto the shoes. Now what I've done is I've cut pieces out, I've numbered them. Now I've not numbered the, I was going to say the armoire, the wardrobe. I've not numbered that because that's the largest piece I've got. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to add the image over the previous image like so and marry them up, press it down. So my first layer is, believe it or not, is this dress, because we're going with the layers of how it was layered together. I've wrote number 1 on the back so that I know I place the dress there. Then I'm going to go for layer number 2, which is the dress and the handbag, because they overlap. So we can put layer number 2 down. Layer number 3 is the section of the dress without the handbag. There we go. And layer number 4 is the handbag. so then that sits nicely over the top of the dress. So we've built up the image into a 3D picture. Next, we can add the shoe. Again, I've got 3D foam on the back of it. I've got the perfume. Now, there's lots of images to cut out. I haven't cut them all out because we're on a time restraint with videoing. So you can do as much of it or as little of it as you like. Finally, I've got the little rose at the top on 3D foam. And then, just to finish it off, I've got 2 butterflies. I've put glitter on them. See if I can show you the glitter. There we go. And I'm just going to add them just to either side of the wardrobe. I think we'll have one there. There we go. And that is our card finished. Such a gorgeous card. You can see the layers, how it's all built up. Look at that gorgeous handbag. The inside of our card, and then the back of our card. Now, I just want to show you what I've done with the mini card. I've taken one of the sentiments, I've added 3D foam on the back of it, and I've just popped it on the top. I've scored it, and I've just folded it together, and that would make a gorgeous gift tag to be able to accessorise a gift if you're sending something with a card. And it's just such a gorgeous kit. And the colours, I love the colours. So I just want to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 948771_1641. And if you go to the Craftsuprint website, you can see more of Snezana's designs on there. So please feel free to check them out. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.
Thank you, Anne-Marie. You did a wonderful job, and I am sure the crafters are downloading and printing as we speak. Also, a big thank you to Atlic for this week's giveaway. Don't forget to follow Atlic so you can see her new designs as and when they are uploaded. Okay, crafters, it's time to sign off for another week. I do hope you enjoy these weekly giveaways. I know I love making the show. It is really important you tell your friends so that they can craft along. And do you see a share button below? You do? Well, please click it and share our show with all your crafting and non-crafting friends. If you care, you will share. See you next time, crafters. Bye!